How to fix camera and web camera problem in Windows. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix camera and web camera issue on your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the main reason why your camera or device webcam does not seem to be working is due to a manager issue, that is your driver issue. So to fix that, you can open up device manager. So let's open up device manager, and on device manager here you'll find your web camera or the camera that you normally use. So under the camera section, tap on this drop down button and you'll find your webcam or your integrated cam. So simply select whichever you're using, double tap on it and tap on this driver section. Under the driver section, you can try to disable the device and then re-enable it again. After you do that, you can also update the driver if you want. Tap on update. You can browse through your computer and pick from the available drivers here. And if there are other drivers available, simply select that and use that. And after you have changed and updated your drivers, make sure that you restart your computer once and then your problem should be fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.